Alright guys, I found this box at the Dollar General where I got all the Paldean Fate stuff. So I saw Umbreon on here and I figured let's give it a shot. So get into it. $15 for this stacking tin. We get a coin and 3 packs. Yeah, we get 2 packs of Silver Tempest and a pack of Brilliant Stars. Just as I suspected, it was not going to be a good lineup of packs, but that's okay. We're still going to open them anyways. Got Breloom, Lapras. Are these resealed? That was a weird place to put the, oh, we got a non-hollow Lapras rare. That was, a little interesting. So I guess that's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. What? Got a Clang. Alright, last chance here. Last pack magic. I mean, the glue looks fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. Got an Earthen Sealstone and an Armaldo. Well, if you want my advice, do not buy the Dollar General tins. That was a little rough. We're still gonna at least sleeve these up. Man, that was rough. Well, I like that Earthen Sealstone. And this non-hollow Lapras is pretty cool. But yeah. Thanks for watching.